Amazon sellers, you want to make sure you watch this video because SellerAmp has just released a new feature which is going to change the sourcing game. For online arbitrage and for wholesale, this new feature is definitely going to change the game when it comes to sourcing, especially when you are using SellerAmp. This is a new feature and still in a beta mode, so there are a few bug fixes, but I wanted to get it to you first. So what you need to be doing is making sure you like and subscribe to this channel so then you can get further notifications and exclusive updates. Let's get to the video. So to start off, what we need to be doing is going to the SellerAmp homepage and obviously logging in. And then as you can see, we come to this screen here. What we need to be doing now is going up to the My Account. So press that. And then we're going to go to this advanced search function here. And as you can see, it opens a new tab for us. This is a really important feature which they've brought out because this acts similar to Keep a Product Finder. But with this and integrations we've got in place, we can actually help source faster and quicker. This is an advanced search and we have got a few tabs here. So we've got the search title, search criteria, and sort by. The search title, that is if you was going to save your search, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. But we have got this search criteria. So as you can see, we can go down by starting with prices. We could go down now and look at the new price because we're selling new products and go for the current. Here we go, we could put a price in, say £20 for example, to £50. And what this is doing is looking at SAS's database of products, and it's going to be giving us products which match these filters which we're inputting. We have got a lot of different filters here: prices, sales rank, offer counts, product attributes, buy box options, seller IDs, miss criteria. So as you can see here, we've just put the BSR in and we want to be putting a maximum of that, so we're getting the best products in that category. So around 80,000 is a good number, get them faster sellers. We can go down into the new offers and go to current. Obviously these are just generic filters. We're looking at from 3 sellers to avoid IPs, and we could limit our competition to 10. If you wanted to, you could also go to the live offers and choose which sort of sellers you are actually competing against in the FBA or FBM sellers. Really good feature here as well. So we've got the product attributes and we go to general, and if you wanted to, you can search for a specific brand. So if we wanted to, I would put Nike in here for an example. We go in and add some more filters now. So we have got the buy box options, new, and make sure that the top seller or Amazon's sharing the buy box on the 30 days up to 80%. And like I say, this is looking at the database and it's going to be giving us products which match these filters. So our product is going to be a Nike product, going for between £20 and £50 sale price at the moment. We have got the under 80,000 BSR. It is a Nike product because we're ungated in Nike. And we've got a Amazon share the buy box at least 80% of the time. And when we go down here, we have got the add sort criteria. This is just going to give us how the results are sorted. So if you was looking for faster selling goods, you could obviously use the better seller rank. The lower competition, you have got the offer count. And if you wanted to, you could just do it on the buy box price, for example. We're going to do it on the new price and current. And then what you need to do is move the big floaty head. We could save this search, so if you wanted to, we can save this search as, for example, trial run. We can save that here, and what that will do is give us a title up in this save searches area. We can see when we last run it, so we could be rerunning these searches over and over again. So this is beneficial if you was doing storefront stalking and you wanted to look at a certain seller who you know is doing online arbitrage. So what we could do is we could load that up so it brings up our filters from our previous search or we could just go down to the bottom and press run, and this is going to give us the results. And as you can see, we have got all these products which are Nike products. And what's really good about this feature as well is now we could actually look at the max cost and see how much we're needing to be purchasing this to meet our criteria. Obviously what you do then is go down and press Google, or if you have got Arbisource, we are getting a price comparison from Arbisource, so we could actually do that reverse search to make sure that that product is available in an online retailer. It speeds our process up and it really does help us find more products faster. Once you've gone through them products there, what you could do is clear all, and this is going to remove all the criteria, all the results, and you can start going again. What I'd like to do now is show you how we can utilize this when we're doing storefront stalking. So if you know that there's a seller doing online arbitrage by looking at the storefront, this is how you'd actually import that, and you'll be able to use this search with a seller which you're looking at, and you'll be able to find their products, do a reverse search on Arbisource, potentially do the Google search, and that is really going to speed up your process when sourcing. So what we need to be doing is going over to search criteria, and we could look down at the seller IDs and we could put in a seller ID here. What you could do now is once you put your seller ID into this search criteria, we can now add the name, and we could be running this on a regular basis to see what products they've actually brought. It'll keep us up to date, so then we could run this test regularly and we'll be able to find the products they're recently adding to their inventory, and that means we're going to have the closest data to try and find the exact same deal to purchase them and copy them. But we're going to save this and we're going to run this store. As you can see here, we've got this Nike video game. This can be brought from Smith's Toys at $11.99. It is just a little bit above our max cost, so we're not going to be making profit on that. $18.99. Some of these games and retailers are going to have special offers on, so you will need to be using obviously your cashback sites and coupon codes. Potentially what you could be doing is using the likes of EverUp and buying discounted gift card to make sure that you're becoming more competitive against the competition. What you'll be doing is scrolling through their storefront, utilizing Arbisource's reverse search, looking at that max cost, or going onto Google and doing that search online. And when you are scrolling down, as you can see here, we have found this Power A controller. So max cost is £13. We could be buying it from Game, Sports Direct, House of Fraser. No, we could be buying it from Sports Direct for £10. Going onto there, purchasing this product and making that profit. If you wanted to analyze this product, we can go to the products link by pressing the title. We can be putting this max cost price in, and as you can see, this product is £7 profit. It is estimated sales which are unknown, but that is because of the category it's in. It's in PC games and video games. And you do your analysing of this product. I know this video was a short and sweet one, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys was aware of this brand new feature which has come to SellerAmp. But I would really recommend having a go with it, especially if you are doing storefront stalking. What you need to be doing is saving them searches, and that is really going to help with your day-to-day sourcing activities. And it's really going to make you become more efficient when you are sourcing, especially if you don't have a lot of time. If you were already working like a 9 to 5 job and you've only got a few hours in the evening, them saved searches could really improve your sourcing strategy. If you've never used SellerAmp before and you want a free trial, what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description of this video for you to go and try it out yourself. And like I said at the beginning of this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'll be releasing lots of videos and content like this one to keep you up to date and improve your Amazon journey. So I hope you like this one. and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!